Today, we are boarding one of the most luxurious trains in India. Wow! It'll not only take us from point A to B, but it's a full board royal experience, and the price includes comfortable rooms, dining, drinks, and daily excursions. The train will take us on a tour of South India across 3 states in 7 destinations, जहाँ हम palaces, temples, backwaters, folk dance, and बहुत कुछ unique experience करेंगे. This is the Golden Chariot, and we are going to be on this for the next 6 days and 5 nights. So let's see what the experience is like. So we are currently heading to the Yashwantpur railway station. Hello, hi, nice to meet you.
Please.
Thank you. Wow, this is beautiful. So we're here at the bar area now, and this is our welcome drink. And the mixologist on board, hello Manjuna, was one of the highlights. So funny and entertaining. He made sure that we always had a good time. First day से ही मेरा तो entertainment शुरू हो गया. We're inside our cabin now, and this feels like a hotel room inside a train. I am amazed because you don't expect a full double bed in a train, you don't expect a toilet, you don't expect a shower, and if this train was not moving, I would have actually assumed that this is a hotel room, and I'm just amazed that we're inside a room inside a train. Now that the train has started and we've been inside for a while, let me show you around. So the first place where we entered the train from is the bar area, and this boasts of green, gold, brown and cream mustard interiors. Very beautiful, very plush. Also has a strip of mirrors in the very center, and we also have a gym area. This feels like an actual hotel where you've got the gym, the restaurants, good food, where you can stay, where you don't have to take your luggage on or off. In just one place, you're traveling. You know, my father was in the army when I was a kid, and flight travel to बहुत ही दूर की बात थी. We used to mostly travel by trains. Whenever one of these palatial trains and luxury trains used to pass us, my parents and I used to get so excited. This feels like such a full circle moment, and I can't believe that I get to enjoy and experience this train. Getting ready over here in a moving train was a true test of my skill level today, because it was honestly hard, but I'm so glad that there's such a nice light over here in this table.
Ladies and gentlemen, lunch is served in Ruchi.
And with that, हमारा lunch call आ चुका है on day 1, and I'm looking forward to seeing what's going to be there for lunch and how the setup is going to look like.
कुछ एहसास, कुछ लम्हे, कुछ बादल, कुछ बारिशें, कुछ चाशनी से जज्बात, कुछ तीखे पुराने स्वाद, कुछ एहसास, कुछ लम्हे.
So now we've entered the lunch area. Oh, this is amazing! We were given a menu to choose the meals from, and खाना तो अच्छा था ही, but this whole setup made me feel too special.
कुछ नई सी आदतें,
कुछ ख्वाब अधूरे, कुछ रेत सी यादें.
Then we got briefed by the program coordinator, और मैं तो बस अच्छे बच्चों की तरह सुन रही थी, because this is going to be so exciting. So we are now in Mysore and heading for our first tour. This is one place that I've never been to before. I know it has so much to offer, like obviously the palace is there, then we have a lot of local markets. Mysore Pak is so famous.
It'll be great tasting the Mysore Pak, and it'll be great having you watch me taste the Mysore Pak because you can't eat it.
So rude.
Yes, you're in.
So the first place on our itinerary is the Mysore Palace, and this used to be the official residence of the Wadiyar dynasty and also the seat of the Kingdom of Mysore. This palace is in the very center of the city. In fact, this city is known as the City of Palaces, so this is the first of many that you'll get to see over here. But on the inside, this one is beautiful and intricately decorated. The palace is designed by Henry Irwin, and it's one of the finest Indo-Saracenic architectures in India. We also have a historical golden throne inside, and it weighs 280 kgs. The interiors also have delicate chandeliers, stained glass ceilings and frescoes depicting scenes from the Indian epics. So inside the palace, हम लोग अपने जूते पहन के नहीं जा सकते, which is why we are now going to use, thank you so much, these foot covers. So our group over here has been given a cap, जो ईशान जैसे पहना हुआ है, and we've also been given shoe covers, bags with water. So next on our Mysore agenda is Mailari dosa. We were recommended by a friend, Ishan's friend Pranavi said, we need to come here and have some Mailari dosa. This looks so good. Okay, cheers. So this is crispy on the outside but soft on the inside. And the best part is that the ingredients are super duper fresh.
Mysore Pak, chef's kiss. मजा आ गया भाई.
So now we're back to the railway station and आज का दिन मुझे बहुत interesting इसमें लगा because we started from Bangalore, reached Mysore. We're just going from station to station and also getting time to explore, experience, take in, soak in, eat something. Guys, it's evening time now and the both of us, like good kids, went to the gym first and then we showered and we've now made it for dinner. Thank you so much. Cheers. Our food just arrived. We've ordered for the Indian vegetarian meal and there's a papadum, there's hara bhara kebab, there's rice and then there's also some paratha and Ishan has kadhai paneer and dal makhani as well. The mixologist on this train is amazing. He has made us some custom drinks and this was his called Suzu. I've already finished so much of it.
Doesn't feel like alcohol.
Wow, what is that?
Big Daddy.
Big Daddy. And what is this one?
I'm mad at you.
He's mad at me. Why?
Yeah, no, not that. I'm calling her the drink. This is a different, but this is a vodka based, this is a rum based.
For two people who don't drink much, Manjuna ji ne काफी अच्छे से mood set कर दिया and then we went to sleep for the first time in our room inside the train. Wow, this is so beautiful. So this morning we left the train and we are here at Mahabalipuram and the first site that we've reached is the Five Rath Temple, also known as the Five Chariot Temple. And this is a classic example of monolithic rock-cut architecture because each of these temples is created out of a single rock and it's incredible. Look at the architecture, look at the sculptures, and the Five Rath temples that you get to see are the Dharraj, Bhim, Nakul, Arjun and the Draupadi Rath temples. Mango chili is the real deal. If I come to South India and I don't have raw mango chili, have I even experienced anything? So now we are at Krishna's Butterball and the really cool thing about this place is that there's a huge granite boulder on an incline and it's fully balanced from many centuries. In fact, I think it's been 1200 years already. बहुत लोगों ने इस बोल्डर को out of safety concerns गिराने की कोशिश की जैसे पल्लव डायनेस्टी के राजा नरसिम्हवर्मन, but वो सक्सेसफुल नहीं रहे. And 1908 में ब्रिटिश गवर्नर आर्थर हैवलॉक ने 7 elephants बुलाए जिनकी combined pulling power was 42 tons, but ये ग्रेनाइट बोल्डर 1 इंच नहीं हिला. This is because of a rare geological phenomenon called exfoliation, जो इस पत्थर को carve कर चुका है and now it's stuck on this hill. So Krishna's Butterball is actually 6 meters high and 5 meters wide and it weighs 250 tons and now we see people posing underneath it, relaxing underneath its shadows and also trying to pose as if they're holding on to the weight of the boulder, and I think we should try and do that as well. Now it's midday in Mahabalipuram and it's so hot. So we have now reached Radisson to Mahabalipuram where we are going to have lunch. Rice and rasam. I'm having some lotus stems ka starter along with bisibele bhat and rasam rice, and the food is so delicious. I'm so glad we have such a huge buffet spread. And I think this is the best part about the Golden Chariot, that they also have hosted meals for every meal, like breakfast, lunch, dinner. In fact, even right now for the hosted lunch, drinks are a part of the lunch. Mr. Ishan Joshi and Miss Tanya Khanijo. Alright guys, before anything, now that the room is a little bit more lived in, now is when I want to give you the room tour and show you around. Because we're inside a train, all rooms are actually standard size. There are 44 rooms in total and each one of them has an attached bathroom. We have some very comfortable bed sheets, comforter, pillows. Most of our luggage has gone underneath the bed because there's space underneath. This is actually a table which opens up, and I can also sit and do my makeup over here because it has a light. Over here on top I've stacked some of my extra stuff जो थोड़ा use करना होता है रोज के लिए. We have a center light in the middle. We have 2 lights on the side, and for both of us we have earplugs and eye mask. We also have a phone over here and it has all kinds of extensions. You can basically call room service, you can call anyone. We also were given a welcome kit which has all the details, the itinerary, all the things that you need to know about the train, and I think we also have some stickers in here. The best part that I have not used yet is this TV. We have a TV inside this room. Imagine having a TV in a train. Talking of the bathroom, this is also a very comfortably sized bathroom. The toilet, yes, it flushes. We have a shower inside a train. I used it this morning and I just couldn't believe. Not just the overhead shower, we also have a hand shower. And also we are given extra towels every single day. The room is fully serviced, so you can call for room cleaning, room service every single day. We have a smoke detector. We have speakers over here through which all the announcements happen. If you close the toilet door, there's a full-length mirror. Hi! And we have these cupboards, and I think the novelty of sleeping inside a train on such a massive bed, I think it's really cool. And I think that pretty much finishes the room tour. And at the end of each of these coaches where there are rooms, we also have just a very good meeting area in case you want to regroup and connect with your friends and have a little chat with them. There are in total 15 coaches over here, which I've mentioned, and each of the coaches has its own name, like Hoysala. We are currently in Shat Havana, and the bar is called Madeira. The restaurant number 1 is called Ruchi. So we are having.
बाकी यार बहुत कमाल की वीडियो थी, और अगर ट्रेन की बात करें ना तो ये फर्स्ट ट्रेन नहीं है एक इंडिया में ऐसी, मतलब कि हर चीज इधर मिल रही है भाई। ये तो कम पैसे में, इधर भी $4000 हैं एक टिकट, लेकिन ऐसी ऐसी ट्रेनें हैं जिसमें एक महाराजा ट्रेन है, उसमें आपको जो एक महाराजा के टाइप की हर चीज, मतलब के सारा कल्चर और हर चीज एक मिलेगी। लेकिन ये बहुत अच्छी एक जर्नी होती है। अब इधर तो भाई एक कपल था, लड़की और लड़का, लेकिन पीछे आप देख लें कितने भी एक मुसाफिर थे ना, उनमें भाई एक फॉरेन के भी बंदे थे। ज्यादातर गोरे लोग बहुत इंजॉय करने के लिए आते हैं इस चीज को और इस सफर को। हाँ, ताकि इंडिया के लोग खुद बहुत इस चीज को ज्वाइन करते हैं भैया, अपना खुलकर एक सफर किया, सारी चीजें की, एक्टिविटी की। अब इसमें ये होता है कि बंदा बहुत
ऐसी ट्रेन की जर्नी हो तो क्या ही कमाल है, लेकिन
अच्छा
टिकट तो चेक करो भाई, $4000, यहाँ के 12 लाख रुपए। 12 नहीं तो 11.5 लाख रुपए 5 दिन।
अच्छा, बीच बीच में ट्रेन रुकती भी थी काफी घंटे टेम्पल्स में, और
तो वो आपको विजिट कराती। इतने पैसे यार, पाकिस्तानी 11.5 लाख रुपए और इंडियन जो है 3.5 लाख रुपए।
एंजॉय भी बहुत,
3.5 ही नहीं, इंडियन बल्कि 4 लाख रुपए होंगे। $4000 4 लाख इंडियन, करो बात। तो आपको वो एक्सपीरियंस मतलब के मिलता है ये वैसे तो मतलब कि जो पैसे वाले हैं वही ये कर सकता है, जिसके पास पैसा नहीं वो।
वैसे हम लोगों ने भी बहुत एंजॉय किया।
वैसे जो है ना भाई, लग्जरी ट्रेन जो है ना हमेशा देखने का ना मजा आता है, क्योंकि उसके अंदर आपको ना हर इंसान का एक अपना अपना एक्सपीरियंस जो है वो देखने का जो है मिलता है। और लिटरली जितने भी हमने आज तक लग्जरी ट्रेन के व्लॉग्स देखे हैं ना, सब ने तारीफ की है कि भाई अगर आप इतने पैसे दे रहे हैं ना तो आपको एक्सपीरियंस भी जो है ना वो उसी तरह का जो है वो करवाते हैं। अभी वैसे जो है आज की वीडियो देखना मेरे ज़हन में एक सवाल आया कि 2 जो डाइनिंग कार्स है आप किसी में भी जा सकते हैं या वो डिपेंड करता है कि आपको कहाँ बेचते हैं, ये जरूर बताइएगा कमेंट सेक्शन में।
वैसे ये वीडियो देखते हुए मेरे भी जहन में ये सवाल आ रहा था, बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि शायद उन्होंने ना डेली चूज किया होगा कि आज इस डाइनिंग कार में आपको मतलब डिनर या लंच या मे बी डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टाइमिंग्स में वो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट आपको डाइनिंग एरिया
क्योंकि मेरे से
ट्रेन को भी हाथ लगा के गुड बाय कह रही है और सारा सबको कह रही है, वो कहते हैं बड़ा हार्ड गुड बाय है। और शुरू में इनका 6 days और 5 nights यहाँ पे स्टे था और सारा इन्होंने अपने रूम्स, यहाँ के रेस्टोरेंट्स बिल्कुल 5-star होटल के रूम की तरह कहते हैं, पूरी ट्रेन ऐसे लग रहा है बिल्कुल। और स्पा, जिम, जो हम लग्जरियस ट्रेन है, सारी चीज़ें तो हमें पता है यहाँ पे होती ही है। तो फिर वो सारा दिखाया। जो मज़े का पार्ट था वो ये था कि जो बाहर टेम्पल्स देखे इन्होंने, जो बाहर पैलेस, मैसूर पैलेस देखा, बाजारों की वहाँ सैर कर ली, वहाँ के डिफरेंट रेस्टोरेंट्स, होटल्स में इन्होंने खाना खाया, हर तरह से जो घूमे फिरे और शॉपिंग और मिठाइयाँ, दुकानें डिफरेंट, जहाँ जाए पता था। इसे 7 स्टेट ऐसी इनके स्टेज थे ना, इन्होंने पॉइंट्स देखने थे वहाँ पे। तो उन सारी जगहों पे गए, उन सारी जगहों पे खाया पिया, अच्छा हर जगह जो फ्रेंड्स ने भी कहा कि वहाँ जाना तो वहाँ की चीज़ ज़रूर खाना, तो ऐसे करके भी खा।
और अच्छी से अच्छी होती जा रही है, इसलिए हम इसको यहाँ पे रोकेंगे और जो इसका बकिया पार्ट है हम नेक्स्ट इसके ऊपर रिएक्ट करेंगे। भाई काफ़ी दिनों के बाद मज़ा आया, तो ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स मैंने पहले भी आपने मेरे साथ शेयर किया, मैंने उन पर रिएक्ट किया है, और भी सारी चीज़ें। एक और ट्रेन पे भी हमने किया था रिएक्ट, लेकिन ये ट्रेन पहले भी मैंने सुना था इसके बारे में कि गोल्डन चैरियट एक ट्रेन है, लेकिन आज इसको देख के वाकई अच्छा लग रहा है। इस तरह के मैंने पहले कुछ दूसरे कंट्रीज के मैं व्लॉग देख रहा था, तो उनके पास ट्रेन ऐसी हैं जिनमें ये इतना चीज़ों का ख्याल रखा जाता है, लेकिन इस डिटेल में सर्विस देना, और ख़ास तौर पे जैसे वो रूम थे, जैसे वहाँ का स्टाफ ट्रेन था, इन सारी चीज़ों को अगर देखा जाए ना, तो वाकई